shit is the god of rap.
Standard attention, military mind. Death for no flinching, metal plated spine. Planted they mention, speaking on me fine. Ethics, lynching, kill the kindest kind. No, I'm not Winston, healthy in the mind. Addressing division, couldn't let it slide. Solution, mission finished, so it's by. Waving the tennis racket over lines. New time, clock and T-limit and Blackberry tight. Sweeter than cinnamon, but raw and high. Seeking the venomous enemy lines. Putting the end to these sentences life. No, we can't reminisce, feelings have died. Mental growth limitless, think over skies. Play like you innocent, grief your disguise. We live, footage, no clipping, but shorts on the rise. Hooded like Mississippi rally night. Evil is took in the wheel overdrive. Used to be good, but answering them your vibe. Lived in the hood cause they home false lies. Adopted the look of a victim, but I see how you shook cause that body still lies. Got a lot to get up off my mind.
They thought I would drown, but made it surfing time. Got a lot to get up off my mind.
They thought I would drown? Hey yo, murdering Tiffany, rest in peace blue. Sudden epiphany, clarity true. My own community like the abuse. Logic I'm pondering to them a fool. Lately been thundering, brainstorming who? Got the right summary on why I move. Funded like Connery, prison break loose. They really been done with me, silence to prove. Phonetically, we don't talk in the same group. My divots are different, entrenched in grooves. Won't fry like a skillet in hell with life through. Fantasy living out matrix I grew. Panic and driven emotions to rule. Savagely pivot so dark won't consume. My character ravaged but got the whole truth. Uninterested in unions that's labor. Already got 7 but many was racing. Share my resources, my time and my patience. Headed to light with the darkness on races. New merchandise in a piece what I'm draped in. Always been right like ink in blank spaces. You gon' see Christ or you see me in places. Got a lot to get up off my mind.
They thought I would drown, but made it surfing time. Got a lot to get up off my mind.
They thought I would drown?